I did beat Kevin Jones. It's just probably not the Kevin Jones that y'all were thinking. I didn't lie. I did not lie. I am sorry to the other Kevin Jones for throwing you under the bus like that, but it made for a good title, so you gotta do what you gotta do. On a lighter and more truthful note, I did actually win the tournament. And got my biggest paycheck of the year, so I figured I should spend it. We've got, even open up this thing. This box is kind of mangled up. Look how they went to town. Shout out to, what is this, USPS? Oh, my disc doesn't look like this. Anyways. Whoa. Look how sick this thing looks. That's kind of dope. I might have to hang on to this thing. I don't think I'm gonna throw it. We got two already. I might just hang on to the third one. Whoa. So here's this thing. Is that cool or what? This is also cool too. If you like double press this button. Yeet. No? All right. And this is what I'm excited about the most. So maybe we'll see a change in audio. And now, can you hear a difference? Probably not. Maybe this is all just a waste of money. Who cares? I'm gonna go ahead to Old Post and throw the disc. Do it. I'm going to be at Worlds next week, just watching, not playing, although one day I will be playing. So expect a lot of cool videos coming soon. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and I will see y'all next week. You got me.